Akona Instant Patching Cement is a high-performance cement that makes repairing blemishes up to 1 inch deep in concrete surfaces quick and easy. Read the product data sheet thoroughly and properly prepare the area prior to application. Using Akona Concrete and Masonry Restoration Cleaner, clean all surfaces to be repaired to ensure proper bonding. Start by adding Akona Concrete Bonding Additive to a clean pail, then add the powder for easier mixing. For best results, mix the entire bag. Using a margin trowel, mix to a uniform, lump-free, putty-like consistency. Just prior to placing the product, thoroughly dampen the surface, leaving no puddles. Using a trowel, apply and smooth the patch. Protect the surface and keep moist until the patch is completely hard and set. Usually the patch can support foot traffic in 4 hours and vehicular traffic in 24 hours. The result is a smooth, sound surface which can now accept a cementitious resurfacer if desired. For deeper repairs, Akona Instant Patching Cement can be extended by adding pea gravel to the mix. For more information on our Akona products, visit www.tccmaterials.com.